Hi, I'm Crystal Hurst with Bramlett Residential outside of Austin, Texas, here in the Travisso community in Leander, Texas. We are at 3816 Venezia View, this 5-bed, 5.5-bath home. Let's take a look. This home is just over 4,500 square feet, and it sits on a 0.87 acre lot. The Travisso community is on the northwest side of Austin, and it's just as you start to get into Texas Hill Country, so you have a lot of really beautiful landscape. Here you'll see a nice front porch. Sit here and have your coffee in the morning. Now let's take a look. As you enter here to the right, we have a dedicated office space, high ceilings throughout the home and plenty of light. There's a half bath right as you enter here, and then we have the formal dining area. The main living space is open concept, again with high ceilings and beautiful windows looking out onto the backyard. The kitchen is full of upgrades. We have upgraded countertops, custom cabinetry, built-in appliances, lots of space to cook, and then an informal dining nook here. Now we'll take a little bit more of an in-depth peek at what makes this property so special, which is this backyard area here and the property beyond it. But for now you can see the pool, a little bit of the sitting area here. There are 2 bedrooms on the main floor. Both of them have ensuite baths. You have a mudroom as you enter from the garage. This is a 3-car garage. And then we have a laundry room with utility sink. The primary bedroom has gorgeous tree ceilings and picture windows looking out onto that beautiful view. Plenty of space, hardwood floors. And then through here we have our walk-in closet and the primary bath. Separated dual vanities, soaking tub, and walk-in shower with frameless glass. And as you can see, every opportunity they've had, they've taken full advantage of this beautiful view and the green belt behind the home. So this is the 2nd suite on the main floor. Good sized bedroom, continuing with the beautiful floors. And we have a full bath with a shower. Next, let's take a look upstairs. As you see here, plenty of space to have fun. You could turn this into a media room, and it has the sink and the refrigerator up here, so you don't have to go downstairs if you want a snack. We also have a beautiful walkout balcony, taking full advantage of those views. Of the 3 remaining bedrooms upstairs, 2 of them do have their own private baths. This is the only bedroom in the house that does not have its own dedicated bathroom. It is still attached here. Just a Jack and Jill setup goes through to the hallway. So this would be shared with the game room and anyone hanging out in the main area upstairs. Here we have the 4th bedroom suite. This is a large room, lots of space. And it does have its own bathroom and walk-in closet. The last bedroom is its own self-contained area. You have a door here for privacy, another full bath, closet, and this bedroom. Depending on how many people you have in your family or how many guests you have, this could easily be used, as they have in this case, as a recreation room, playroom, or media room. So we've seen the interior of this amazing home. Now let's take a look at the outside and what makes this lot so unique. This outdoor area has a fireplace, room for a grill, and a dedicated seating area. It overlooks the pool, and you can enjoy that beautiful running water sound. Beyond this fence, we have trails that go down to the stream and all the way onto Travisso's private trail system.